Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy NFTs using MetaMask, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase digital collectibles with this popular cryptocurrency wallet. Step 1. Install MetaMask browser extension from metamask.io or download the mobile app. Create a new wallet and securely store your recovery phrase offline. Step 2. Fund your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum by purchasing ETH on an exchange and withdrawing it to your MetaMask wallet address. Copy your address from MetaMask. Step 3. Visit an NFT marketplace like OpenSea, Rarible, or LooksRare. Click Connect Wallet and select MetaMask from the available wallet options. Step 4. Authorize the connection by clicking Connect when MetaMask prompts you. The marketplace will now display your wallet address as connected. Step 5. Browse NFT collections and select an item you want to purchase. Click on it to view detailed information including price, properties, and seller details. Step 6. Click Buy Now for instant purchases at the listed price. MetaMask will open showing the transaction details, including gas fees. Step 7. Review the total cost, including the NFT price and network fees. Click Confirm in MetaMask to complete the transaction. Your NFT will appear in your wallet after blockchain confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.